Okay, now it's time to do the last wall, the front wall. Got everything set up. You can see the walls I've already made there. Got the two side walls and the back wall standing up against the fence. I've got two 4.2 metre beams. I've got to cut those down to 3.66 metres. Now I've got 10 uprights to do. The only difference between this and the back wall is I've got to make an opening for the door. So let's cut these to length, and then we'll start marking up for the uprights and the door opening. Okay, so I've got 10 upright beams, marked them out to cut them down to 1.985 meters. So let's go ahead and chop saw those down. Okay, one down, 10 more to go. Okay, I've got one of the plates resting along here and the first upright, so we just go along now and screw those in with 2 screws in each, as we did for the other walls. So let's do that. Okay, so that's the front wall finished, all framed up, screwed up. You can see the opening for the door there. So 16-inch centres finished here, the door inner seal finished here. So I've actually doubled up and put another one on. So I've got 2 to transfer the load from the top plate to the bottom plate, and also the top plate, which is currently just one single plate. Once I've erected all the 4 walls, I'm going to put another top plate on there. So the load will be distributed via 2 plates at the top, and then over the door and down the door will be another 2 beams as well, so plenty strong enough. So that's all 4 walls finished. In the next episode we'll be erecting all 4 and sheathing it with OSB. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. I really do love hearing your thoughts and comments. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next part of this build. You can also check out the full playlist right here to see every step from the very beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.